Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 11 and today we are going to present a topic about the forward design of the curriculum. Before we start, let me introduce the member of our group. My name is Intan Eka Maharani, NPM 04, and my friends Aisy Syafitri, NPM 32. Okay, let's start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aisy Syafitri. I will explain about the forward design of the curriculum and its process. First, let's start with the definition of forward design. Forward design is an approach to curriculum development that begins with syllabus planning, then moves to methodology, and finally to assessment. The focus here is on determining the content and the sequence of materials right at the beginning of the design process. According to Richards 2013, and I quote, "Forward design starts with syllabus planning, moves to methodology, and is followed by assessment of learning outcomes." So basically, it's all start with what we want to take this before thinking about how we teach it and how we will assess it. Okay, now let's move on to the process of forward design. It consists of three main stages. First, syllabus design, or what we call the input stage. Here we decide the linguistic content like grammar, vocabulary, text types, and function. We organize this content into logical units that are teachable and learnable. Second, methodology, which is the process stage. Once the syllabus is ready, we choose the appropriate teaching methods to deliver the content. For example, if the syllabus is structure-based, we might use audiolingual or situational approaches. And finally, the third stage is assessment, or the output. At this stage, we develop tools to measure whether students have achieved the learning outcomes we targeted. This is often done through norm references or summative assessments. So, in short, forward design follows a very clear and logical path. We plan the content first, then decide how to teach it, and lastly, we check whether the students have learned it successfully. Okay, the next material will be explained by Intan. Intan, time is yours.
Okay, next, I want to explain about example of forward design in language teaching. First, audiolingual institutional method. The solely on structural that emphasize pattern practice and drills focused on grammar. Second, communicative language teaching or CLT. Despite its focus on communicative competence, CLT often follows a forward design by first specifying communicative goals in the syllabus, then selecting methods to achieve them. Third, content-based instruction and content and language interactive learning. This approach designs syllabi based on content from other subjects, which are then delivered using language teaching strategies suitable for the dual focus. Okay, next, conclusion of forward design. Forward design provides a structured approach to curriculum development by starting with syllabus planning, followed by methodology, and ending with assessment. This ensures alignment between content, teaching methods, and assessment, promoting clear and standardized learning outcomes. However, while effective for centralized curricula, it might lack flexibility in addressing individual learner needs and adapting to classroom dynamics. Okay, that's all from group 11. And sorry for our mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.